What's up, everybody, and welcome back on the Cleanest Man on Earth podcast. I'm here in my car, and I just wanted to stop by to pretty much introduce myself because I feel like that should be one of the first videos. My name is Mounir. I'm located in Montreal, Canada, and the reason why I decided to make some videos is because I'm an entrepreneur. So I own a couple of stores in the dry cleaning business. As you can see behind there, I have a couple of clothes that I'm bringing to my customers. And I just wanted to share my journey with you guys. I wanted to show you what it's all about and what I'm doing on a daily basis. I'm planning on posting one video a day. Obviously, I might skip a day here and there because of busyness. But what I did is I banked a lot of different videos that I already recorded. So you might see me change. So I'm fixing my teeth right now. I have the Invisalign on. So you might see my teeth be super crooked in one video and then being okay or kind of straight in other videos. You're also gonna see my beard being long, short, because I'm always changing up the style. You might see my hair all messed up if I didn't have a haircut. And obviously it's not going to be very chronological in the first little couple of episodes, but as soon as those are sent out, because I really want to send out those messages that I already recorded. They're really good information, and the information that I talk about is mostly about business. So everything that I talk about is something that I planned, something that I've experienced, some things that I already tried. So if I talk about marketing, promoting your business, it could be about flyers, online marketing, Facebook, Google ads. It could be about offline marketing of your business. It could be about the struggles that I'm going through, either with the employees, with the business itself, with finances. I just want to share because I feel like a lot of entrepreneurs are going through a lot of things, and a lot of people don't share. But mostly it's a selfish reason, because I want to monitor, I want to have a little journal of myself, and I'm working hard every single day, and I want to see the evolution of myself, because without evolution there is no getting better. And I feel like the more I push and I show you guys what I'm doing, it keeps me accountable. I'm self-aware of what I'm doing more and more, and I think that this is only going to bring me to a better place. And so I decided to post my videos, even though some of them I did like a year ago. I couldn't get myself to post for some reason. I just decided I'll do that later when I have the right equipment and all that. But the funny part is I'm enjoying making videos straight on my iPhone these days. I feel like it's more personal. I don't want to edit and all that stuff, even though some of my videos are super edited. It depends how I feel, like a video like this is more of a heart-to-heart. It's more of a me explaining to you what I'm going to show you if you decide to follow me, if you decide to subscribe to my channel. I'm also going to talk about lifestyle. I'm going to talk about relationships. I'm going to talk about anything that I want to at the end of the day. And the reason why this channel is called The Cleanest Man on Earth is because I'm in the cleaning industry. And I don't only do dry cleaning, I do industrial cleaning, I do carpet cleaning, I do shoes cleaning, anything you can think about, even handbags for women, I clean. And so I'm the cleanest man on earth, and that's that. And I decided that I wanted to pitch myself here and just give you a little outlook of how the channel is gonna look like. I'm gonna try to make it as nice as possible, enjoyable for you guys, as entertaining as possible. My voice could be very monotone sometimes, so I'm gonna try to hype it up and show you how I am on a daily basis, and also the struggles that I go through as an entrepreneur. Like entrepreneurship, people think that it's super easy, that all you have to do is open a business, start selling products or whatever. But there's a lot of things that goes through that. And I feel like in my research, before I started, when I quit my 9-to-5 and I started this journey, every time I did a research, it was people that were already established. It was people that were driving Lamborghinis, people that had mansions, people that had a lot of money and that were showing off all their money. Now, I'm not saying that it is, necessarily a show off. Maybe they just want to motivate. But the point is, I wanted to relate with someone that's real. I wanted to relate with someone that is struggling, that goes through hardships, that talk about them. I want it to be in a journey of someone and not at the top. So I couldn't find myself to find that person. Now, I'll find a couple of YouTubers that were excellent. I got a lot of information from them, but I wasn't able to relate with them per se. So what I want to do here is I want to be relatable. I want the person that is thinking to quit his 9 to 5, her 9 to 5, become an entrepreneur, become a boss lady, boss man. Then also I want to relate with the person that already has his business or her business and is trying to make an empire out of it. Because at the end of the day, however you work is the fruits that you're going to reap off. So what I'm trying to do is show you how hard I work in order for me to build that. And hopefully one day I'll be driving the Lambo, I'll be having the mansion, but I'll also have all the videos that, you know, shows, broadcasts, that it's going to be my portfolio, my journal that shows how I got there, so anyone could do it. And I want to share everything. I want to share all my secrets. I want to share all the promotion tools that I use. I'm going to share all my failures. I want, you know, to inspire, and I want to motivate, but in the right way, which is in the real way, in the real world, because the real world is a bitch. The real world is hard, and it's trust me, it's not easy. But I want to show you how I'm doing all that stuff and dealing with all that stuff in order to motivate anyone. If I can motivate one person, I can inspire one person, that's already a lot for me. So that's my contribution to the world, and that's what I want to do for a living. I'm gonna try to do one video a day as much as I can. I'm gonna push with quality. I'll give you guys a better sound quality, image quality. Editing is gonna be there sometimes, sometimes not, but it all depends on how I want to convey the message to you guys. So if you're interested, you're a beginner entrepreneur, you're thinking about entrepreneurship, you're thinking about opening your own business, you want to make extra income online, offline, open a store, whatever it is, you are in the right spot. This is where you have to be in order to get some information that might relate to you. So give it a try, subscribe to my channel, give my videos thumbs ups. I really appreciate it, and hit the bell for notifications when I post. I truly am happy and excited that I started uploading, and I'm really looking forward to getting your feedback, your comments, your like or dislikes, whatever it is. I want to see how you guys feel about my content, and if there's anything that I can change or improve, please let me know. I'm really open and transparent about anything that I do. And that's it. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys are hustling hard, you know, going at it every single day. For me, today is Tuesday, one of my most important days, and I will explain to you guys why it's an important day for me on the next video. Until next time, guys, ciao.